Good for teammate, passing to Red. 10 seconds left clock remaining. And then 8 for team. Rebound by 7. Passing to 18. Foul. 21. 14 seconds left clock remaining. For 3, Red for 3. No good rebound. 27 passing to 18. 18 to 7. 15 seconds left clock remaining. 5. 8 foul for Liguilla. 18. Foul. Penalty. First row. Second row. Yes, sir. Pase to Serrano. Serrano. Yes, sir. 25. Moving the ball. Pase to Oren. Pase to 21. 15 seconds remaining. First row, yes, sir. Second row, yes, third. And Pedro Paniero. Oh, 30 seconds in clock. 21 still. 37. Foul number